All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Lovers Trading Group. A little bit before 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Altcoin Tuesday. I hope everybody is doing well. We're going to talk a little bit about Chainlink. Okay, we have not covered Chainlink enough. I know. Obviously, Chainlink has come way, way down, almost 70%, about 70%, I think, from the all-time high we experienced in the spring. However, Chainlink, again, one of the things I talk about a lot is look for developing new developments coming out of these projects, things that are doing, whether it be, you know, layer two, whether it be solutions, whether it be whatever. We've seen it with Compound Treasury. We've seen it with Aave Pro. Now we're seeing it. We've seen it with Matic and Polygon in its collaborations. We're seeing it now with Chainlink now with more and more adoption and acceptance for Link and the things that it is providing other projects and other entities going forward. So it's something that you have to factor in towards what's going to drive these coins higher. Okay, news. Everyone's looking for positive news now, mates. Like we've come out of this 30-day lull of withdrawal, right? And you've had people talking about bearish negatives or narratives. Sorry, negative. Everything's been negative. Bitcoin and it's like bulls are searching for positive developments, okay, which will open up their ability, psychologically, because remember, we're trading behaviors to accumulate, right? And this is what I think is happening now with Chainlink and others. But Link has had some opportunities, had a death cross on the daily, just like, Bitcoin, and just like, and people fear, like driving pressure, resistance levels to keep these things from rallying, right? I think Chainlink now is approaching that level of a test that could catapult her back above 22 to 24 before the next resistance level. So let's take a look at where we're at here, okay? You can see, let me move this over a little bit so we can kind of take a look. And you can see that where we're at now, as opposed to where we've come from. We've got highs all the way up here of 26, okay? I didn't go as high on that on the mark, but I marked this one right here as the next real level, that 24, 25 level, okay? Support's always been really down here at this 16 level. That support level is firm. It is held. It's got tons of address activity of accumulation in terms of demand and supply barrier on the IO map. Loaded up here. So it's really a not like, looking at it, it's a really lower risk maybe than some other altcoins right now, simply because it has so much support here now at this level. We're about $3 above support now. We got another level here we want to take out first at this 1950 to 20 level, then on to this next level up here. So I'm looking at really that $20 level, I think is a psychological level that is going to propel Chainlink higher. Now, will Chainlink move quickly to test 24 to 26? We've seen a lot of others in the DeFi space climb significantly, whether we're talking Year in Finance, whether we're talking Aave, whether we're talking Compound. Chainlink has not moved, as exponentially, and a lot of that has to do with the technicals on it, falling below its moving averages. But now you're seeing here on the shorter time frames it coming above here on the 4 hour. So that's bullish to me. Plus, we've got a cross down here on the MACD again. That's bullish to me. I think it's a safer trade. I mean, at this point, obviously not financial advice. You need to do your own due diligence. All the risk is yours. But just giving the support mechanism that we have and the number of active addresses we have, supporting Chainlink at that 16 to 16.75 area. I mean, it's probably lower risk trade. But has the potential of moving 6 to 8 points. And on leverage, that's going to be a massive trade for a $20 token, okay? And so it's kind of playing this correlated to the other DeFi stocks we should see Chainlink move above 20 and break resistance.